Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps on Realme Book Prime 14. And to do this, we'll need to click on the settings, then find the apps, go for installed apps, first option right there. Here find whichever app you want to remove. In this case we're gonna go for Google Chrome. Click on these three dots on the right and uninstall the app just like that. And depending on which app you're trying to uninstall, things might change. So here's different setup uninstalling process for Google Chrome, and we want to delete everything just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.